Let's explore on how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So, let's begin. Now, if you wanted to know more about Google for developers, you can start building today for Android, Google Cloud, TensorFlow, Chrome, Google Play, Firebase, Palm. And if you wanted to view all developer products, you might want to click here and get more information. Now, to start up, I need you to sign in using your credentials. Log in if you haven't had any Google account. This is the perfect time for you to do it. Okay. Now, once you're logged in, so here are some steps on how to transfer game progress from your old tablet or to the Game Center itself. All right. So make sure basically that you have both your old tablet and your new tablet are connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Games app on both devices, and if you need to sign into the same Google account on both, all right? Now, on your old tablet, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, tap Settings, and under Google Play Games, tap Backup and Restore, and make sure that Backup My Data is turned on. Now, on your new tablet, open the Google Play Games app, because you need to tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, tap Settings, and under Google Play Games, tap Backup and Restore. Tap Restore Backup and follow the on-screen instructions to restore for game's progress. And if you are still having trouble transferring your game progress, you can contact the game developer for assistance. So here are some additional tips that might help to transfer your game progress. So make sure that you are using the same version of the game on both devices. And sometimes you need to try restarting both devices. Clear the cache and data for the Google Play Games app on both devices. Uninstall and reinstall the Google Play Games app on both devices. And again, it says here, you can always contact the developer support if you need more information on how to fix your problem on transferring Google Play Games data to Game Center. All right. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.